68 years of hiccups. A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, imagine never getting a break from that annoying spasm. Charles Osborne holds the world record for the longest bout of hiccups, starting in 1922 after a fall while trying to weigh a hog on his farm. His hiccups began at a relentless 40 times per minute, eventually slowing to 20, but still never stopping, day or night. Doctors were mystified, they tried everything from carbon monoxide to hypnosis, but nothing worked. By the time his hiccups finally ended in 1990, Osborne had hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. He became a medical mystery, and his story was featured in Ripley's Believe It or Not. Despite all this, Osborne managed to marry twice, raise 8 kids, and work for decades, proving that even the world's most annoying condition couldn't stop him.